Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. Do you want to find the perfect side hustle? If so, then you came to the right place. Whether you want to start an online business or learn how to make money on the side, this is a list of side hustles that has everything you need to learn to make money fast. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 best side hustle ideas to make money. Make sure you stay until number 1 as you don't want to miss a secret gem of a side hustle. Number 10. Picking up trash. Picking up trash is another great side hustle. This one is a little bit of a hidden moneymaker. Many people may shrug it off at first, but this job can actually be quite lucrative. It requires a little bit of labor, so make sure that you're up for that. If you are, great! Check out an example of just how much this side hustle can earn for you. Brian Winch is a guy who's been picking up trash to make money for over 30 years. All he does is walk around local parking lots and cleans up the garbage. With this side hustle, he's earned around $50,000 to $100,000 a year. That's incredible. Winch calls this America's simplest job, and for good reason. This job is quite easy and can make you a lot of money, so why not try it out? Still not convinced? With this job, you'll be helping the environment and your city. Earn money and keep your city clean. Number 9. Tutoring. Next on this list is tutoring. With tutoring, you get a wide variety of subjects to coach others on. This is a great side hustle for those who want to teach but don't want the full commitment. You can tutor kids or teens, it's all up to you. Tutoring can be done either online or offline. The beauty of the web is that if you choose online, you can get students from all over the world. You'll have a broader audience and a higher chance of earning. Offline is great too, especially if you're more hands-on with your approach. You also get to set your own schedules, so the flexibility is there too. Pick a subject or two and set your price. Then advertise your services. You can advertise on Facebook, physical flyers, even on sites like Fiverr. Make sure you know the subject well enough so your students will be satisfied and will recommend you to others. Get the word out there and start earning. Number 8. Podcasting. It seems that everyone nowadays is either listening to podcasts or making them. You may see them as free distractions, but they can actually earn a large bit of cash. Enough to make a full-blown side hustle, in fact. And it can be simple. So simple, you can start today. How does it work? Here's how. Podcasting earns from streams, sponsors, or both. You may notice that free podcasts have advertisement segments in them. This is the most popular way to earn with podcasting. You find someone to sponsor you, and you can make money for advertising them on your podcast. This is popular because it keeps your podcast free, so more people will be likely to download it. You can also sell your podcast for a small fee, which, with this, you need to find an audience or build a fan base and sell your podcast hard so you can be assured that people will buy it. Either approach, this can be a great side hustle. It's fun and simple and keeps others entertained. It does take a bit of time to set up, record, and edit, but you can hire people to help you out with this once your earnings are big enough. Try it out and see just how good this side hustle really is. Number 7. Blogging. Blogging is all over the web. Every other website seems to host a blog. That's what makes this a great tool for earning. If you want to blog on the side, you might as well earn from it. Yep, you can earn money from blogging, and here's how. On blogs, you can add affiliate links. Check out Amazon's affiliate program as an example. You advertise a product on your blog, attach a link, and anytime someone clicks that link to buy the product, you make some cash. It's that simple. Another way is to set up ads on your blog. You can sell ad space and earn with that. Both of these methods may be slow, but hey, it's still a great side hustle and it can be fun. So, set up a website. This can be easy and affordable, but once it's set up, find a niche, since niches are easier to sell to. Then start writing. When people find your blog, they may become interested and you can sell them on affiliate links easier. Cha-ching! Number 6. Baking. Baking is a great hobby. Maybe you've mastered cupcakes or are getting the hang of baking delicious cakes. Why not use this great skill to your advantage? That's right, you could bake to earn. It's a great side hustle and many people are already doing it. Plus, who doesn't love a good old baked good? You can make bread, cupcakes, cakes, pastries, you name it. Sell these at corporate events, weddings, or just to individuals. If word gets out that your goods are delicious, more people will want to buy. So, make sure you perfect your recipes. These are always in demand, and with it being a side hustle, it is totally flexible. Set your own price as you see fit and make your own schedule. Baking can be relaxing for some, so that's also definitely a plus. If you want to make some money off of this, but aren't quite sure if you're the best baker, just try practicing. There are plenty of tutorials and recipes on the web that will help you out. Also, make sure to market yourself so people will know that you are selling products. Good advertising makes good money. Number 5. Flipping. Flipping is a term that basically means buying low and selling high. With flipping, you can earn a lot. In fact, some people turn it into a main source of income, but it could also be a great side hustle. You've just got to find something that you know you can sell, then make it look nice and sell it. Flippers usually find a niche. This helps them to sell to specific audiences. Maybe your niche is furniture or vintage clothing, or maybe even collectible dolls. Whatever it is, you can thrift for these items for cheap, and sometimes you may need to refurbish the item to make it sellable. Then set up the listing. You can use eBay, Depop, Etsy, or other seller sites. This side hustle doesn't take too much of your time and it can be highly lucrative. Also, if you enjoy shopping, it can be fun. It's flexible, you can set your own prices, and set your own schedule. This is why many people choose to do flipping as a side hustle. Number 4. Food or grocery delivery service. Food and grocery delivery services are quite handy. Sometimes you just don't feel like going out, so you order in. Did you know these service providers actually earn a decent side pay? Yup, and you can be part of this earning. Apps like Uber Eats are always hiring all the time for delivery folk. There's plenty of options with this job. You can drive, walk, or bike. And much like driving jobs, you can set your own schedule, so it's completely flexible. This may be a tedious job, but the pay is decent. Some people even find it to be fun and enjoyable. Try it out for yourself, you may like it. You may also like the earnings. Number 3. Ghostwriting. Ghostwriting happens more often than you think. A lot of big-name authors have hired ghostwriters, and they pay them a lot of money too. You don't even have to fight your way to become a famous author's ghostwriter. There are plenty of people online looking for ghostwriters of all kinds. Ghostwriting can be for novels, ebooks, blogs, screenplays, basically anything that is written. A ghostwriter writes something anonymously, so be prepared to give credit to someone else for your work. If that's fine with you, try it out. Ghostwriting can pay quite handsomely if you're reputable enough, from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars. This side hustle can be flexible with schedule and pricing. Advertise your services well and make sure to prepare some samples. After a while, you can just raise your prices up. Just watch out for how much this side hustle can make for you. Number 2. Driving. Driving. Don't you find it to be a chore sometimes? Well, start getting paid for that chore. There's plenty of easy ways to become a driver, and you can earn quite a bit from it. Taxis have competition now, and it's simple to start your own new side hustle. Apps like Uber and Lyft are always looking for new drivers since the demand is so high. Of course, you'll need a valid driver's license and a car that goes with their specifications, but once you've got that, it's all a matter of applying and setting up your own schedule. Some drivers learn that you need to make your passengers comfortable during their ride, so many have some mints or charges for them. One Uber driver even found that making playlists that match people's aesthetics gave him higher ratings. Try it out and maybe you too can start to earn from this awesome side hustle. Number 1. Carpet cleaning. You've probably seen those satisfying videos on the web of carpets getting cleaned. You know what else is satisfying? The amount of money you can earn from cleaning carpets. Carpet cleaning is a bit time consuming, but the payoff can be worth it. For this job, you will need to know your way around some cleaning products, but you don't necessarily have to be a full-blown professional. You can offer local carpet cleaning and advertise exactly what you will do. Learn what products get which stains out and practice cleaning your own carpets. Gather some tools and equipment and you should be set to go. This is a labor-based job, so it may take up some of your time, but you can always set your own schedule to make sure it doesn't conflict with any of your other duties. The more work, the higher your reputation is. That means you can start charging higher prices for less work. With that, you'll start earning a huge amount with this side hustle. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!